today's episode of Let's Talk About Prepping, I want to show you the way that I mark out prep that needs to be done on drawers when there's a lot of work to be done. So this is a mid-century modern dresser that has a lot of breaks in the veneer. But we don't have just breaks. We also have spots where the veneer is lifting, like here. So at this spot, I'm gonna need to treat it first with glue, wood glue, clamp it, and then come in with, I'm gonna use epoxy putty. You could use some wood filler as well, like a bondo wood filler if you'd like. I'm using the epoxy putty because how much easier it's gonna be to get it to match this, because I am gonna stain this for full restoration. So you see all the tape marks. I picked two colors, I had orange and blue. For every orange one, that's just telling me I need just epoxy. For every blue one, that's telling me glue and epoxy. And like right here, I realized that this edge needs it's a little creaky. So I'm gonna add some wood glue to sturdy up that corner too. But this is how I don't miss the repairs when I get everything ready, which is the most annoying thing when you've patched all of them and then discovered one tiny little crack that you missed. So this is the way that I organize my prep when I'm about to go in and do any sort of filling. If you're looking for some more DIY tips, make sure to subscribe and like this video.